Today we're going to Mölten. A few locals might know that road. It's near the Mendel. It's on the same mountain, I guess, but it's a little bit further ahead if you ride the normal road to Meran. That's also a very popular road for the locals. And my friend just called me a little bit ago and he told me there's police waiting on the gas station. So I need to be a little bit careful of how I ride around that part, but I should be fine. I'm already late. In 5 minutes I should be there, and I still got to refuel first, and I will do that right now. And let's see what the gas prices are actually, because right now again the Iranian war is still going on. The German gas prices are well above 2 euros, reaching 2 euros and 20 cents for E10 fuel. So really expensive, and yeah, it's really hot right now. My earplugs are not falling out, but because of the sweat on the inside of my ear, they don't hold in very well anymore. So I might have to adjust them a few times. That's not nice. I hear them popping in and out. So yeah, you hear like I don't have time for slow drivers. I need to get there. But to be fair, I don't ride that fast, at least not in the city and so on. Because in the city it's a safety thing. So except for some roads that are a little bit wider, there it's not that much of a safety thing, but rather just noise, I guess. But that's fair too, because if I would live in the city, oh I actually do, but I would like it to be a little bit more quiet when I want to go to sleep, so therefore the limit is okay for me. Bro, what's happening here? A lot of smoke. I believe some 125cc two-stroke was here. 176. Alright, and on the road we are. I don't know if I'm going to go Mebo or not, but I probably will not. Yeah, here's the Mebo, and I may... No, let's not go Mebo. Alright, I will do the sports tachometer so you can see all the nice data. All of it. My lean angle, my speed. No, the speed I will blur it when it gets too high. But you can see my RPMs, my lean angle, my... I don't know what more. Sadly in this view you don't see your brake, you see the traction control, but in some modes you also see the... Oh, a girl, nice. But as I said, in some modes, like, let me go back a little, one more, here you also see your brake, and you can obviously a few seconds after you actually brake. What a beautiful day today. You see all the apple trees here, like all these are apple trees, most of them. These are blooming, like they're having flowers on. 30 degrees, what the f***, it's April! And it's already blooming everywhere, and I'm a little on the late side today. Come on, bro. And whenever there's nice weather, somehow the police like the weather too, and the Carabinieri, and they come and ruin your fucking day. I'm sure I will get stopped today. I'm sure of it. And to the other friend who had the double R, he got stopped and they said that his foot bags and the Krapovic, which is stock on the double R, if you add the M package, they said no, that's not stock. But yeah, now let's go. Actually, on this road you need to be careful since there are a lot of tractors going out and in of the field. Like, yeah, right now obviously none. And my visor is filthy as fuck. I should have cleaned it. Shit. But yeah, 45 degrees. Where did I make 45 degrees? Yeah, there's 70. Actually right here is a firm, a company, and very often here is a lot of gravel, since I believe they transport dirt or something like that. So as you see, the road here is dirty as fuck. So here I never went fast, and I can recommend you to not go fast here either. And here I filmed one of my RS660 bike videos, like the cinematic ones. And my friend said he is at the first parking lot when you go up to Mölten. So I don't know where that is, but yeah, we'll see in a little bit. And last time on the Mendel I didn't say anything to you, like the video series or video that got out a little bit ago. I drank a Coca-Cola on the Mendel and it cost €5. What's wrong with people? I believe I should close the visor, otherwise you don't hear me that well. Is that true? So in theory I should go up here. He told me, oh fuck, I just slipped a little because of the white lines. That somewhere like really short. Maybe I already went past the parking lot. I don't know where the fuck he means. But here is no parking lot. Oh, he calls me. Hoi, bin schon vorbei. Irgendwo neben der Straße oder? Okay, dann muss ich irgendwo in mich umdrehen. Ja, Herr Pass. Vielleicht ist er unten, weißt du, beim Main-Parkplatz. Okay. Bis gleich. Alright, so I missed him apparently. I flew past him, he said, but I did not see that parking lot. So now I need to turn around somewhere. Wow, where do I turn around? Now I know here for a long time there will be no real part where I can turn. Oh, maybe here. Yeah, I can turn here. I need to be real careful. It's a real dumb position to turn around. So yeah, now let's hit some of those lean angles. 50 degrees, and no knee dragging. I don't want to miss my friend once more. Wow, beautiful. But today the air is a little bit dirty, so you don't see that far. And today I'm a little bit scared somehow to ride. I don't know why. I don't have a good feeling today about the ride, if I'm fair or if I'm honest. I don't know. I believe something is off today. 52 degrees on the left side, only 39. I hate these type of corners. Where the fuck is he? Grüße.